Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO M5s and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in Messages and Notes in the browser, whenever you want to. Just have the keyboard on the screen, and now let's enter the settings. Here we have to tap on Languages, and this is the list of all previously added languages, so we've got only English. So let's tap on Add Keyboard, and here we will be transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which you can choose. So as you can see, this list is so wide and impressive. And basically all you have to do is to, of course, find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick the Urdu one. And sometimes, of course, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region. So just tap on it. Or tap on the one you'd like to use. And here we've got the keyboard types. And again, depending on the language, you will be able to pick from up to 5 different keyboards. And basically all you have to do is to simply mark the one you'd like to set. As you can see, you can mark 2, 3 or even all of 5 different keyboards, but I would like to use only this one, so let's keep it ticked, keep it marked, and tap on Done. And as you can see, the language has been immediately added to the list, so now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And here we've got actually 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which acts just like a language key, so we can change the language. So currently I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Urdu one. Let me tap on it again, and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to your keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove the language, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 or 3 different languages added, you just want to have one. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages again, and here tap on the edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning. And after getting back to the keyboard, you can see that first of all the spacebar is empty, so you cannot read the name of the language as you've got only one. And we don't have the language key, which of course means that we cannot swipe or switch between the languages. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your POCO M5s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.